Good afternoon, students. Last class we all studied admission of partner. Admission, a new partner admission. Listen, students. This is fifth lesson. New admission of partner. This fifth lesson. This time board exam. More question in this lesson. This lesson very important. I am second time. I am again one time explain this lesson. Very easy only, students. More sums you practice means you get more marks. Okay. Listen, student, accountancy very easy only. Everybody aim centum in accountancy. Okay. Introduction. A person may join a new partner is an existing partnership firm. This is called admission of partner. The purpose of admission of new partner may be raised additional capital. New partners is admission means company or firm rise in a capital or rise in authorized capital. For expansion of business, managerial skill of new partner or both generally. The new partner has to contribute a capital to the firm, thereby she or he acquires the rights of share of the future profit and asset of the firm. Indian Company Act 1932, the subject of contract between the partners no number of persons shall be introduced the partnership into the firm without consent of the all existing partners. Today we all learn about calculation of sacrificing ratio and new profit sharing ratio. Calculate sacrificing ratio and new profit sharing ratio. New profit sharing ratio. It is necessary to determine the new profit of the sharing ratio at the time of the admission of a partner because the new partners is entitled to share a future profit of the firm. New profit sharing ratio is the agreed proportion which the future profit will be distributed to all the partners, include the new partner. If the new partner sharing the ratio is not agreed, but the partners will share the profit and loss equally. Next one, sacrificing ratio. Already old partners is sacrificing in admission of new partner. The old partner may sacrifice the proportion of the share profit of the new partner. The sacrifice may be made by all the partners or some of the partners sacrificing ratio is the proportion of the profit which is sacrificed or foregone by old partners the favor of the new partner. The purpose of finding the sacrificing ratio is to share the goodwill brought the new partner. Goodwill means that is good name. Goodwill is a asset. The share sacrifice is calculated by the deducting the new share from the old share. Listen, students, formula is very important. Share sacrifice equal to old share minus new share. Sacrifice equal to old share minus new share. Sacrificing ratio equal to ratio of share sacrificed by old partner. Tutorial no. When the new profit sharing ratio is not given, the problem is to be the calculate based on information given the problem. Okay, listen, students, calculate the sacrificing ratio and new profit sharing ratio. First one, when the new When new profit sharing ratio is given, sacrificing ratio has to be calculated as follows. Formula is, listen students, formula one or two times you read or oral, you many repeated every times you one every day at least 3-4 times you again and again you tell formulas. Sacrificing ratio equal to share of the sacrificing ratio equal to ratio of the share sacrificed by the old partner. Share sacrificed equal to old share minus new share. Listen students, sum number illustration 8. Anbu and Raju are the partners sharing a profit in the ratio 3:2. 3:2. Akshay is admitted as a partner. The new profit sharing ratio Anbu, Raju and Akshay 5:3:2. Find out the sacrificing ratio. Listen students, 3:2 is a old share. 3:2 is old share, but new sharing ratio Anbu, Raju and Akshay 5:3:2. Find out the sacrificing ratio. Listen students, you step by step you write. First one, solution. Old ratio of Anbu and Raju. Anbu and Raju is, first you write, ratio is how much? 3:2. 3:2, that is 3/5, 2/5. Listen students, is this one 5 is very important. 3 plus 2 is how much? 5. The total value, that is 3:2. 3 plus 2 is 5. 3:2 by 2:5. The Anbu ratio is 3/5. Raju ratio is 2/5. Next one, new ratio of the Anbu and Raju and Akshay. That second value. Second value means 5:3:2. 5:3:2 means 5/10, 3/10, 2/10. That is 10 means this total value 3, 2, 5, 3, 2. This total value is 10. 5/10, 3/10, 2/10. Listen students, you easy, first you write clearly these two steps. First one is old ratio. Old ratio is 3:2. New ratio is 5:3:2. Okay. Next one, share sacrificed equal to old share minus new share. Old share is what? 3/5 minus new share 5/10 is, first you calculate Anbu sacrifice ratio. Anbu first one is 3/5 is Anbu. New ratio is 5/10. Formula is old share minus new share. 3/5 minus 5/10. Answer is what? Listen students. Next one, this side 5:10. 10 means this side you calculate 10 means 5 into 2, 10 common value. Next one, again one time, 3 into 2 is 6. This is 6 minus 5/10. Answer is 1/10. 1/10 is what? Sacrificed ratio. Same procedure. Raju, old share is 2/5, new share 3/10. 10 means this side also same. 10 means you multiply 2. 5 2s are 10. 10 means same. 2. You again one time 2. 2 2s are 4. 4 minus 3, 1/10. The sacrificing ratio is Akshay 1/10 is to 1/10. 10 is even means that cancel. You 1:1. Listen students, this value again one time, old share minus new share means old share, new share. Old share is 3/5, 5/10 is new share. This side 10 means you calculate this both 10. you 5 only. 2 5s are 10. Again 3 2s are 6. Minus 6 minus 5 by 10 equal to 1 by 10. This is same method, easy only students. First one is old share, second one is sacrificing ratio. Listen students, same book back 8th sum, this same model. You 1 or 2 times you practice, easy only. This method is 3 marks sum. Okay, listen students, this lesson this year, more sums in this lesson only. You every day you practice this lesson. This lesson is very important only. Okay, again one time I explain in this lesson. Listen students, that time missing students, you watch this video. It's very important only. This lesson. Okay students, next class we will discuss this lesson. Next one, new method of sum. Okay, thank you students. Listen students, you more practice only get more marks in accountancy. Okay, practice every day. You at least 5 to 10 sums. You at least every day you practice means you get compulsory. You get centum only in accountancy. Okay, accountancy is very easy only students. Everybody try. This time I get centum. Everybody you try this year. More centums in accountancy. Okay. Okay, thank you students. Next class we will discuss next one, new method, this lesson sum. Okay, thank you.